Hey all, it's Matt Walsh from Style Factory, the go-to site for e-commerce reviews and tips. In this video, I'm going to be looking at Printful versus Printify. Stay tuned to find out which of these popular print-on-demand solutions is the better fit for you. Let's kick things off with a look at how Printful and Printify work. Printful and Printify are two of the best-known print-on-demand services available. They let you design your own products and sell them online. The nice thing about the print-on-demand business model is that once you've made a product available for sale online, you don't need to fulfill any orders for it. These orders get passed on to your supplier, in this case Printful or Printify, who package up the relevant products and ship them to your customers. This makes print-on-demand, commonly referred to as POD, a very simple and attractive way to start a business. Now, broadly speaking, Printful and Printify work in a similar way. You choose a product you'd like to sell, upload the design you'd like to feature on it, customize it, and then sell it online. To do the selling online bit, you usually link your Printful or Printify account to an e-commerce platform, for example Shopify. Printful and Printify will then automatically display your print-on-demand products on your store. But which solution is better for you? Well, to help you answer this question, I'm going to highlight the key reasons to use Printful and then discuss the areas where Printify wins. Let's go through these now, starting with the reasons to use Printful. 1. Printful's product designer is more powerful than Printify's. When it comes to creating product designs, Printful takes the win. Its product designer lets you use more fonts and upload bigger artwork files. It also gives you access to features that are not available in Printify, like text transformation and clip art tools. 2. Printful works with more e-commerce platforms. Of the two platforms, Printful provides the bigger range of integrations with e-commerce platforms, 20 in total, compared to Printify's 11. Some of the platforms supported by Printful but not Printify include big hitters like Big Cartel, Adobe Commerce, and Square Online. 3. Printful gives you discounts on sample orders. Placing sample orders is a vital part of running a print-on-demand business. It's really important to check the quality of the products that you intend to sell to your customers before listing them for sale. Unlike Printify, Printful lets you order sample items at a discount. It gives you 20% off any sample orders you place, while Printify doesn't discount sample product orders at all. 4. Printful gives you more options for creating product mockups. Product mockups are another essential part of running a print-on-demand business. They let you show items off in a variety of settings and can be vital to generating demand for your goods. Printful's mockup generator is more powerful than Printify's, giving you access to over 2,550 scenes, including nature backgrounds, flat-lay tabletops, home and office scenes. Abstract backgrounds, shapes, and patterns can also be used in Printful. Out of the box, Printify's mockup creation functionality is more restrictive. You can customize mockup backgrounds by uploading images from your own computer, but there isn't a built-in background library to make use of. Additionally, Printify's mockup personalization feature is currently limited to around 60 products from its collection. By contrast, Printful's mockup generator lets you customize mockups across its full product catalog. That said, Printify does offer an integration with Placeit, which gives you access to thousands of professionally designed mockups. This can significantly expand your creative options. But Placeit is a separate service, so using it involves an additional subscription fee. 5. Printful lets you deliver international orders more cheaply. If you're a POD merchant who sells goods to customers in multiple countries around the world, you'll find that international shipping fees are typically lower with Printful. This is because, with Printful, you're dealing with a single supplier with printing facilities located all around the world. When an order is placed in your store, Printful automatically directs it to the facility that is nearest your customer. By contrast, Printify prints your products via a network of third-party print companies, not all of which are competitive on price or located particularly near your customers. Okay, so that's 5 key reasons to use Printful over Printify. If you'd like to try Printful out, do check out the link in the video description, which contains a link to both the free version of the platform and a special 2-week trial of its Printful growth plan. You'll also find a discount code for the platform in there too. Right, where does Printify win? 1. It gives you access to a much larger range of products. Printify's product catalogue lets you choose from over 1,000 products. This is over twice as many as Printful offers and opens up a lot more selling opportunities. 2. Printify gives you a better built-in store builder. Both Printify and Printful let you set up a free hosted storefront. This gives you a way to start selling print-on-demand products easily and without having to pay for a store-building tool. In Printify, this feature comes in the form of its pop-up store tool. In Printful, it's branded as Quick Store. Both are easy-to-use tools. They won't give you the capabilities of a full e-commerce platform like Shopify, but they still let you launch a store quickly and start selling without any upfront costs. But of these two built-in selling tools, Printify's is the better solution. Its pop-up store feature gives you more control over the look and feel of your store and is available to all sellers worldwide. Printful's Quick Stores, by contrast, are currently only available to US-based merchants and only let you deliver items to US customers, making them far less useful if you're selling internationally. I've put a link to more information about Printify's pop-up store feature in the video description. 3. Printify gives you more control over print suppliers. If you're a Printful customer, you have no choice regarding how or where your items are made. You have to use their in-house facilities to produce your merchandise. But with Printify, you can choose your print supplier based on location, price, production time, shipping cost, and user reviews. This ultimately gives you more say in quality control and the order fulfillment process. 4. Printify can handle your customer queries for you. With Printful, if your customers have any queries, you will always be their first point of contact. By contrast, Printify can handle queries from your customers on your behalf through its Printify Connect service. This can be a big time saver for merchants who have high volumes of sales. You should note, however, that this service is available to Printify's premium plan holders only, not those using its free plan. 5. Printify supports scalable SVG design files. While Printful's product designer is generally more advanced, Printify's is more flexible when it comes to the image file formats you can work with. Both platforms let you design products using common image formats like JPEG and PNG. But Printify also supports SVG files, short for Scalable Vector Graphics. Designs in this format can be resized without any loss of quality, meaning that they look super crisp whether they're printed small on a mug or large on a hoodie. Okay, so those are the areas where Printify beats Printful. Next up, my quick verdict. But just before that, I just want to invite you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This helps us out and gives you easy access to all our e-commerce content going forward. You might also like to download our free e-commerce toolkit, which is packed full of useful resources to help you start an online business. You'll find a link to this in the video description. So now it's verdict time. Which platform is right for you? Ultimately, Printful and Printify are two of the best choices available for print on demand, and which one is right for your business really depends on your priorities. If you're after advanced design features, a more professional mockup experience, more e-commerce integrations, and lower international shipping costs, then Printful is the stronger choice. But if you're looking for a wider product range, more control over who fulfills your orders, or a solution that gives you a better store builder out of the box, Printify wins. The good news is that you don't necessarily have to choose between these two POD solutions. Many e-commerce platforms simply let you use both Printful and Printify as your POD solution at the same time, giving you a best of both worlds situation and access to a much wider product range. I've put some links to resources that explain how to connect Printify or Printful to Shopify in the video description. You'll also find links to both Printful and Printify's free plans in the video description, some discount codes for them, and a link to a more in-depth comparison of them on the Style Factory website. And finally, if you have any questions at all, please do leave them in the comments section. We read them all and will do our best to help